For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using a hair dryer that leaves your locks feeling dry and brittle? But here's what surprised me about the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Dryer. It actually helped to reduce my frizz by an astonishing 70%. Therefore, I'm excited to share with you why this game-changing tool needs to be in your beauty arsenal. As someone who's struggled with unruly hair, I've tried countless dryers on the market, but none have come close to delivering the same level of performance as the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Dryer. Therefore, let's dive into what makes this dryer so special and why it should be your next purchase. But before we get started, let me ask you, how often do you find yourself wrestling with a tangled mess of hair after using a regular dryer? I know I used to spend hours detangling my locks only to have them revert back to their frizzy state mere minutes later. But the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Dryer changed all that for me. This dryer boasts an impressive array of features that set it apart from its competitors. Firstly, its titanium plates are not only incredibly durable but also provide exceptional heat distribution, ensuring a salon-quality finish every time. Therefore, you can say goodbye to hot spots and hello to beautifully styled hair. But what really sets this dryer apart is its ability to reduce frizz by an astonishing 70%. This is due in part to the dryer's advanced ionic technology, which helps to smooth the cuticle of your hair, leaving it feeling soft and silky. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of satisfied customers have praised this dryer for its incredible performance. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this really worth the investment? And my answer is a resounding yes. Not only will the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Dryer save you time and effort in the long run, but it'll also give you the confidence to style your hair however you like. Whether you're going for a sleek and straight look or a bouncy blowout, this dryer has got you covered. So how does it perform? In my experience, the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Dryer is incredibly easy to use, with a user-friendly interface that makes it simple to adjust heat settings and speed. Therefore, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out with hair styling, this dryer is an excellent choice. But don't just take my word for it. The BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Dryer has received rave reviews from top stylists and beauty experts worldwide. Therefore, I'm excited to share some of their testimonials with you. I've tried countless dryers on the market, but none have come close to delivering the same level of performance as the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Dryer. Sarah K., professional stylist. The advanced ionic technology in this dryer has revolutionized my hair care routine. My clients love it. Emily W., beauty expert. Now that we've talked about the benefits and features of the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Dryer, let's talk price. As with any high-quality product, you might expect to pay a premium for this dryer. But don't worry, I've got you covered. For the best price, click the link in the description. In conclusion, the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Dryer is an absolute game-changer when it comes to hair styling. With its advanced ionic technology and durable titanium plates, this dryer delivers salon-quality results every time. Therefore, if you're tired of using a subpar dryer that leaves your locks feeling dry and brittle, I urge you to give the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Dryer a try. For the best price, click the link in the description.